Here are the answers to your 1.4, 1.5 practice quiz. Feel free to pause at any point in time if you need to write something down. 1, 2, you solve equation for y. 3 and 4, you solve it for either L or B. 5, 6, 7, and 8 are absolute value. Remember, you must have 2 answers unless it is a cannot solve. 9 and 10 are review from 1.1 through 1.3, regular equations. 11 and 12 are also review multi-step equations, variables on both sides. So your quiz is next week, Monday for cohort 1, Wednesday for cohort 2. Bring any questions you have to class. Make your note card. Remember, a 3.5 by 5 note card, 3 by 5 note card. Anything front and back. Remember, you can only have a pencil, calculator, no iPad, and your note card. If you have questions, send me a message. Otherwise, we'll see you next week.